Hi friends, my name is Abchut and I am from Isaac. So today in this class we will solve another problem. So the problem statement is, so we have to print the numbers from n to 0. So yesterday we have print the numbers from n to 1 and today uh, we are printing from n to 0. That's it. So I hope you understand the question. So let us write the program. Import java.util.star. And after that, scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in. So I'm taking in time is equal to c dot next in. And after that, I'm using this simple for loop. It starts with n. You know why I'm starting with n? Because we have to start from higher number to the last number. So that's why I'm starting with higher number, which is n. And after that, I should be greater than, because n is greater than, right? Each and every number n should be greater. So that's why I'm using I greater than or equal to 0. We have to print from like n to 0, right? So that's why I'm using 0. And after that, we have to decrement. Yesterday, I have told you, right? What is the decrementation? Today also I'm using the same thing only. Just we have to print the height. So because each and every number is storing in the I variable only. So that's why I'm printing I. So let us run this program. So there is no errors. Let us give 15 as output. See, up to 0 it is printing. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 up to 9 to 0. So I hope you understand how to use the decrementation. See I minus minus. In this video we are learning decrementation and how we can change the conditions as per our problem. So if you find helpful for you, please like it. Please like the video and please subscribe to my channel and please share it to your friends so that they can benefit from this video. And please ring the bell icon, so then only you would get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. And that's it. That's it, friends. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.